Hi students, in this video we are going to discuss about the large numbers worksheet 2.1. All of you open your application books and see the worksheet 2.1 A Roman. So now I am going to explain A Roman. So in A Roman, what is the heading is there? Question, what is the question is there? Write the numerals for the following number names. Here we are going to write the number for the number name. Already number name is given there in the question given there, so that we have to write the number for that. So what we have to do first? First read the number. So number is there in your book only. I am going to explain first one. This number name is there in your book only. You have to read that. I am going to number only. I am going to write the number only. Okay. So what is the first question is there? 36,04,023. So now I am going to write the number for that. How we have to write the number? So here what is the highest place? 36 lakh. 36 lakh means up to 10 lakhs place you have to write the numbers. Sorry, up to 10 lakhs place you have to write the places. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs and 10 lakhs. Up to 10 lakhs you have to write the places, then you have to fill the numbers in a particular places. So 36 in lakhs period means 36 lakhs. In lakhs period you have to fill the numbers with 36, then put comma. In thousands period, come to the thousands period, how many thousands are here? Only 4 thousands are there. So in 10,000s place no number is there, 04,000. Next 23 is there, 23, 20 in tens, 2 in tens place, 3 in ones place, 0 in hundreds place you have to write. Understood? Like that you have to fill the numbers according to the places. First you have to write the places, then you have to fill the numbers in the particular places. Understood? Then only the number will be correct. So that all of you follow this method and complete the remaining one. Understood? So now I am going to explain the fourth one also. Observe the fourth one here. So in fourth one, read the question. 10 crores 30 lakhs 10 crores 30 lakhs 53,711 is there. So up to 10 crores place, up to 10 crores place you have to write the places. Then I am going to write again places here. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. Up to 10 crores place you have to write. Then again read the number 10 crores. 10 crores means 10 in crores period. Crores period after comma. Next 30 lakh. 30 in lakhs period. After that comma. Next 53,000. So 5 in 10,000, 3 in thousands place, 53 in thousands period. And next 711. 711 you have to write like this. So like this you have to write the number for the number name. Understood? Next I am going to explain the B Roman. This A Roman remaining sums you have to complete. Next, and now I am going to explain the B Roman. So come to the B Roman. Read the question, write the following numerals in words. So we have to write the number in words. So first we are going to write the number name for any number means what we have to do? First write the periods for the each and every number. So places, periods you have to recognize first, then you are going to write the, we are going to write the number name. Now I am going to explain the first one here. So here this is the number is given. First you have to write the periods on it. Okay. First you have to write the periods there here, top of the number. Here ones, tens, hundreds will become ones period. And these 2,000s period. These 2 lakhs period. And this one is crores period. So first you have to write the period, then only you can read the number easily. Okay. So here 2 is in crores period, 2 crores 25 lakhs 56,142. Already we know that when you are reading a number, you have to read that number along with the period. Understood? 2 we are reading 2 means 2 in which period? Crores period. 2 crores you have to read. And 25 in which period? Lakhs period. 25 lakhs you have to read. Like the 2 crores 25 lakhs 56,142. Like that you have to read, like that you have to write only. Now I am going to write the number name for this. Observe this. So like this you have to write the number name for the number. Understood? Next I am going to explain the next Roman, C Roman. Now the C Roman, write the following numerals in the Indian place value chart shown below. So here we are going to write the number in the Indian place value chart. You have to fill the numbers in the particular places. So here Indian place value chart, how many places will be there? Ones period, thousands period, lakhs period, crores period, 4 periods are there. In ones period 3 places, thousands 2 places, lakhs 2 places and crores 2 places are there. Understood? Okay. Now we are going to insert the given numbers into particular places. Understood? So already table is there. I am going to explain for example. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores and 10 crores. So you have to fill the numbers. So what is the first one here in the question? 4 crores 38 lakhs 22,366 is there. So here 4 in crores place. So you have to write the 4 in crores block. Okay. In the 4 you have to write in crores place. Next 3 is in 10 lakhs, 18 lakhs, 2 in 10,000, again 2 in 1000, 3 in 100, 6 in tens and 6 in ones. You have to fill the numbers like this. Okay. You have to complete the remaining boxes also. If 10 crores place is there means you have to write the number in 10 crores place. Understood? Like this you have to complete the remaining 3 sums also. Understood? Next I am going to explain the D Roman. So here I completed C Roman and now I am going to explain the D Roman. Observe the D Roman. Now look at the D Roman. Place the commas between the digits of each number according to the Indian place value system. So now I am going to explain the second one in the D Roman. So now I am going to explain the D Roman second one here. First you have to write the copy this number again here like this. So now write the places ones, tens, hundreds. These 3 places will become ones period and thousands, 10,000s. These 2 in thousands period. Here ones period after you have to put comma. Okay. 55,039 is the answer. Okay. You have to copy that number again. Again you have to write the places according to the Indian system. Then you have to divide that places into periods. Every period after you have to put comma. Ones period after you have to put comma. After that ones period will become thousands period. Understood? 55,039. Remaining sums also you have to complete like that only. Okay. Complete the worksheet 2.1. All sums you have to complete. First you have to complete the what sums I explained. Then you have to do the remaining sums. Then it will become easy to complete the worksheet 2.1. Understood? Okay.